I found this sweet little box at a thrift store for only $5. Let's paint it pretty with Dixie Belle Paint products. When blending with two paint colors, it's important to keep a separate brush for each color. After your first coat has been applied, you can apply your second coat and blend it together with your best staying brush. Using a spray misting bottle filled with water really helps pull those colors together. Let's use vintage floral to add some beautiful flowers to this box. After cutting your images out from the paper, apply them to the box. Use the enclosed burnishing tool to adhere them to the surface. Silkscreen stencils are washable and reusable. I like to wash mine in warm water immediately after use. Don't forget to add a touch of shine with your gilding wax. From trash to treasure with the help of a little bit of Dixie Belle Paint products.